Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best quiet blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blendtec Professional 800 blender. Why choose a powerhouse blender over a quiet one when you can have both? This Blendtec model offers you both privileges with a rating of 3.8 peak horsepower operating at 1,800 watts, a sound enclosure and advanced airflow technology. The plastic removable sound enclosure hood is sealed to minimize sound by up to 10 decibels. It features a pulse key, 11 speed options and 6 settings: smoothies, batters, whole juice, mixed drinks, pulse, frozen treats and hot soup. You can toggle between automatic and manual speed by pressing the key under the on/off button. The illuminated interactive touchscreen displays the remaining time and cycle information. The wild side jar has a capacity of 36 ounces and features blunt blades that can puree almost anything you wish. What's more, you have a 10-year warranty covering parts, shipping and labor. The package includes a blending guide and several recipes. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Vitamix Blending Station Advanced 48 ounces blender. Commercial blenders should be able to handle a large volume of orders, and this model is well equipped to handle several requests for milkshakes, smoothies, juices, and iced drinks. It operates at 1,800 watts and is rated at 3 peak horsepower, an equivalent of 34 amperes of power. The 6 beverage buttons, 93 speed variables and 34 built-in cycle programs provide you with several options to blend the right consistency for your menu recipes. The variable pulse allows you to tailor the mixtures. You can access the control settings through a user-friendly touchscreen interface. The pitcher, which has a built-in no-drip spout, has a capacity of 48 ounces. It widens at the base to reduce cavitation. You can add ingredients to the blender through the cap on the lid while the blender is still running. The removable cover and heavy insulation dampen the noise. The cover can also be easily reassembled and cleaned. Its automatic switch-off mechanism frees you up to multitask. The polycarbonate material is NSF certified and all listed for safety compliance. It is also RoHS and CE certified 6,001,257. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach HBH 850 Commercial Summit High Performance Sensor Blender. This model is equipped with smart technology, so even if you're a barista, it allows you to tend to customers without keeping an eye on the blending process. It integrates dual motor cooling fans and an automatic shutdown mechanism to prevent damage once the timer is up. The motor, with a horsepower rating of 3, has all-metal drive coupling to meet the demands of a busy outlet. The voluminous pitcher has a capacity of 64 ounces. With more than 100 preset cycles, you can cut down on constantly changing the settings for different recipes. The ingredients are churned down towards the blades by a wave action for thorough blending. The Quiet Shield sound enclosure confines the sound to reduce noise. The Auto Blend single touch sensor adjusts the power and speed according to the ingredients to achieve optimal results. The cavitation sensor prompts you to add more liquid when necessary. The jar pad sensor switches off the motor if the blender has been assembled incorrectly. The user interface with touchscreen controls can be cleaned easily. The USB port facilitates future download of program updates. To add ingredients while blending, remove the cap at the top. At number 2, we have the Blendtec Pro 795 blender. This model is a great way to have the powerful features and functionality of a commercial blender in your home. The blender features 15 variable speed controls and a pulse button that increases the speed of the blending power. You can adjust the speed using the color-coded dial. The jar can accommodate 80 ounces with measurements up to 36 ounces. The stainless steel blade, which is 80% thicker than other blades and 10 times stronger, pulverizes tough mixtures. The blunt design also makes it safer to clean. The sealed sound enclosure, advanced airflow technology, and innovative sound dampening mechanism make this model one of the quietest in the industry. The jar's narrow bottom side and its extra-wide base eliminate the need for a plunger and maximize blending speed and consistency by sucking ingredients into the fast-spinning blade. It is also equipped with a vented lid that prevents spillage. The model is equipped with a travel bottle so you can take your smoothie with you wherever you go. This blender is ideal for blending, mixing, pureeing, grinding and even making dough. And finally at number 1, we have the Tribest Glass Personal Vacuum Blender. Customers have likened this model's powerful performance to Tribest blenders, but with the additional groundbreaking vacuum technology. Vacuum blenders go the extra mile by removing oxygen before blending to preserve nutrients that can be destroyed through oxidization. This is achieved by its tight seal and vacuum functionality. You can alternate between regular and vacuum blending. The vacuum feature only works with the preset automated functions, not manual settings. This blender has a variable speed dial and a pulse option to power up the speed. Its 500-watt motor and the stainless steel blade make crushing ice and seeds easy. This product is a perfect blender for green smoothies, milkshakes, frappés, and more as you can select any of the built-in programs for nuts, soup, smoothie, vegetables, and fruits by pressing the touch button. The BPA-free pitcher has a capacity of 42 ounces and can be cleaned in a dishwasher. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.